You slept all night but woke up exhausted. This is why. Something is wrong when 8 hours of sleep leaves you more tired than when you went to bed. You've tried everything. Earlier bedtime. No screens before sleep. Better mattress. Nothing works. You wake up exhausted, drag yourself through the day, collapse into bed, repeat. There's a scientific reason this happens, and it has nothing to do with sleep quality. The real problem is happening inside your cells. While you sleep, your body is supposed to repair and recharge. This process requires massive amounts of cellular energy. That energy comes from mitochondria. These tiny power plants inside every cell produce the fuel your body needs to recover. When mitochondria are damaged, they can't produce enough energy for proper recovery. Your body goes through the motions of sleep but never truly recharges. You wake up in energy debt, and no amount of sleep pays it off. After 30, mitochondrial function declines about 10% every decade. Stress accelerates this decline. So does poor diet, environmental toxins. Even chronic sleep deprivation itself damages mitochondria further. It becomes a vicious cycle. Poor cellular energy leads to poor sleep recovery. Poor recovery leads to more cellular damage. The exhaustion deepens. This is why sleeping more doesn't help. The problem isn't how long you sleep. It's whether your cells can use that time to recharge. Before I share what actually helps, I want to be completely upfront with you. The link in the description is an affiliate link. This means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to check it out. I only recommend products backed by legitimate scientific research. A company called Mitolyn developed a formula with 6 natural compounds that support mitochondrial health. Maqui Berry, a powerful antioxidant that protects mitochondria from oxidative damage while you sleep. Rhodiola, an adaptogenic herb that supports cellular energy production even during stress. Haematococcus, contains astaxanthin which shields mitochondrial DNA from damage. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. If this video helped you understand why sleep wasn't working, hit that like button, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more science-based health content. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.